Hello! Welcome to Technic Force Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you CloudFunnels analysis. Let's get started. Let's take a look at funnel analysis in CloudFunnels. There are basically two types of funnel analysis available in CloudFunnels. One is through the internal, and the second one is through the third-party analysis tool. To use the built-in analysis in CloudFunnels, on the sidebar section, click on the funnel content. Then select Analytics. Now here we are on the funnel analysis page, where you can select the funnel you want to analyze. So choose your funnel. And this will provide you an overall analysis of this funnel, or any individual pages. You also have the options to filter your analysis by date or days. Just like if I choose to look at analysis for today. And as you can see, I have the total number of visits that this funnel received for today and the total number of conversions. Same if we select all days. You will see the overall number of visits your funnel has received and the total number of conversions. If we scroll down, you will see the various types of browser that were used to visit our funnel. You have the unique visits and the unique conversions. And likewise, you can see the various operating systems with the unique visits and conversions. And down here you can see the various devices that visited and the conversions as well. And as well as the location with its unique visits and conversions. Now if we take a look at the page analysis section, you will see the various page types. If I want to see the full details of the opt-in page, click on it, and you will then see the browser, operating system, device, and location sections with all its unique visits and unique conversions. You can check out all the details of other pages you want to see. Just click on it. So that is how the analysis works in CloudFunnels. And as I have mentioned at the beginning of this video, that there are two available types to look at analysis. One is through the internal, which is this one, and the other one is through the third-party tools. So if you want to use a third-party analysis tool in CloudFunnels, for this you'll need to install the CF External Scripts plugin from the marketplace. Just go to the sidebar section and select Plugins. As you can see, I have already installed mine, but if you haven't and you want to use a third-party tool like Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel, just click on the Add New Plugins button and select Install from Marketplace. Search it, click on it, and install. After installing, just toggle this button to enable it. From there on, you can use it. If you need help on how to install those plugins, we have tutorial videos of various types of plugins ready for you to watch right here on our channel. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.